Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 5th English grammar 3rd chapter, and that is the use of pronouns. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Here is the exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Complete this table of personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are categorized into the 3 categories. First one is pronoun of the first person, in which we used I, my, mine, me, we, our, ours, us, myself, ourselves. Second, pronoun of the second person, like you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves. Third, pronoun of the third person, we use he, his, him, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, theirs, theirs, them, and themselves. Here is the table. First one is subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronoun. First, singular form, I, object pronoun, me, possessive adjectives, my, possessive pronoun, mine, reflexive pronoun, myself. You, your, yours, yourself. He, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. Now in plural form, we, us, our, ours, ourselves, you, your, yours, yourselves, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. My dear students, let me clear one thing. Reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronoun refer to the pronouns like myself, ourselves, yourselves, and in this pronoun it refers noun or another pronoun, and it indicates the same person or thing is involved. Reflective the pronoun are formed by adding self or selves to the certain personal and possessive pronoun. We use in a singular self, we use selves in the plural form. Do this question in your book. Question number 2 of this exercise. Choose words from the above table for each blank. First, that's Rosie, dash is my sister, and the answer is C because it reflects the subject pronouns in a singular form. Second, we enjoyed dash much last night, and the correct answer is ourselves because it reflects the reflexive pronoun but in plural forms. Third, Bob is not here, dash is at school, and the answer is he. Fourth, there is Tom, do you know dash, and the correct answer is him. It reflects object pronoun but in a singular. Next, did they paint dash house dash, and the correct answer is their and themselves. 6. Nisha is a nice girl, we all like her, and the rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book. Before start the question number 3 of this exercise, you have to open your English grammar book on page number 19 and look at the question number 13 and also figure. First one is I love dash, and the correct answer is I love you. Next, do dash love dash, and the correct answer is do you love me. Second, we can see them but they can't see us. Third, dash is angry with, he is angry with her and she is angry with him. Do this question in your book. Question number 4. Complete this letter to a pen friend. Add suitable pronouns. If you have opened your English grammar book so far, then you also see the question number 4 on page number 19. Dear Sonu, I am 12 years old. Here is my photo. In this blank, we fill mine. I have got one brother and one sister. My sister name is Tina. She is very nice. Everyone likes her. My brother's name is Tony. He is sometimes very naughty, but I like him. My grandmother also lives with us. She has a funny habit. She keeps talking to herself. I love to play cricket. What game do you play? Please write to me soon. With best wishes, Neeraj. In this exercise, we use suitable pronouns like my, her, him, herself, me, you. Next one is exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, we use other pronouns like we use one instead of repeating a singular noun. We use ones instead of repeating a plural noun. We use one or ones in place of countable noun. First one is fill in the blanks with one or ones. First, I will have an apple. Will you have one, two? We use one because it is in a singular form. Second, in this yours house, it is a pretty one. Third, I want an orange. Give me that big one. Fourth, Anita, those are my dolls. Neha, which ones? We use ones because it is the plural noun. Dolls is the plural noun, so we use ones. The ones on the table, and we also fill the ones because it is a countable nouns. Anita, no, the other ones. The other ones on the shelf. Do this question in your book. Question number second. Use one or ones in place of a word or words in each sentence. First, my house is the house next door. And the correct answer is my house is the one next door. In this sentence, we use one because it's instead repeating a singular noun. Second, who are those men? The man in the car. And the correct answer is who are those men? The ones in the car. We use one because it repeating a plural noun. Third, do you like the brown shoes or the black shoes? And the answer is do you like the brown shoes or the black ones? Fourth, Mr. Kapoor children are the children under the tree. And the correct answer is Mr. Kapoor's children are the ones under the tree. We use ones because children is in a plural form. Fifth, you haven't got a computer, but I have got a computer. And the correct answer is you have not got a computer, but I have got one. Sixth, all girls have passed, but the girl in the blue frock has failed. And the correct answer is all girls have passed, but the one in the blue frock has failed. And the rest of the question you have to do yourself. Question number third, complete the table. In this table, we have our two words, some plus and any plus. And the left of this table, we have one, body, thing, where. So, first one is some plus one. And the answer is someone, any plus one. And the word is anyone. Second, somebody, anybody. Third, something, anything. Fourth, somewhere, anywhere. Next, no plus and every plus. First one is one. No one, everyone. Body, nobody, everybody. Thing, nothing, everything. Fourth, where, nowhere, everywhere. Do this question in your book. Question number 4. Choose for each blank a suitable word from the above table. First one is I haven't got dash to read, and the correct answer is nothing because it is the emphatic pronoun. In emphatic pronoun are used to be noun and pronoun for emphasize the sentence, and it is used after the subject. Second, I feel bored. I have nothing to do. Third, we are going out dash lunch. And the correct answer is somewhere because it is a affirmative sentence. Fourth, you look sad is dash right and the correct answer is everything. Fifth, the house is empty dash live here and the correct answer is nobody because it is an emphatic pronoun. Sixth, I am hungry. Please give me dash to eat. And the correct answer is something. Next, I feel lonely. I haven't got dash to talk to. And the correct answer is anyone because it is an interrogative sentence. And the rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book. Question number 5 of this exercise, make the following sentences A negative, B interrogative. In this exercise, we use do, does and did. The use of do in interrogative with I, we, you and they. And the use of does with he, she, it and person name also. First one is he knows something. In this sentence, we make into the negative form. Firstly, we add do verb first, then we add the helping verb and also the action. So the answer is he does not know anything. And in interrogative, does he know anything? We make something into the anything because it is into the negative and interrogative sentence. Second, they saw somebody at the gate and the answer is they didn't. We use didn't because it is in the past form. They didn't see anybody at the gate. In interrogative, did they see anybody at the gate? And last question mark is also added. Third, she has told the secret to someone. And the answer in negative form, she hasn't told the secret to anyone. And into the interrogative, has she told the secret to anyone? Fourth, there was something under the bed. And in negative form, there wasn't anything under the bed. And in interrogative, was there anything under the bed? Fifth, they went somewhere in the evening. A, they didn't go anywhere in the evening. B, did they go anywhere in the evening? My dear student, do this question in your notebook. In this exercise, we use helping verb as a negative form and also as a interrogative form. Didn't, do, does, was, has, have. This is all the helping verb. Before start, question number 6. My dear students, open your English grammar book on page number 23 and look at the question number 6 and also figure. First one is that lovely house is dash and we have they in bracket. And the correct answer is there because in this sentence we use third person. Second, thank you. I will do it dash and in bracket I have I. And the correct answer is myself because I reflect to the first person. Third, this is dash new computer and in a bracket we have we and the correct answer is our because it also reflects the first person. Fourth, the dog has broken its leg. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your book. Question number 7. Replace the underlined words with suitable pronoun. Write your sentence A with to or for, B without to or for. In this exercise, we used to or for. We use to in comparison, relation and also for indication of person. And we used for a time and validity and also talking about the other person, and suggestion and interrogative questions also, and we use for the noun and verb and also their reason. First one is John gave the book to Mary, and the answer is we use to or for. John gave the book to her. Her refer to Mary. B. John gave her the book. In B sentence without to or for we make the sentence. Second, tell the answer to the students, and the answer is tell the answer to them. B. Tell them the answer. Third, Anu bought some sweet for her father. A. Anu bought some sweet for him. Him reflect her father. B. Anu bought him some sweets. Fourth, you and I must give a present to Pulkit. A. We must give a present to him. Him refers Pulkit. B. We must give him a present. Fifth, Mohit and Richa wrote a letter to Meera, and the answer is they wrote a letter to her. B. They wrote her a letter. Sixth, my sister and I told a story to my little brother. A. We told a story to him. B. We told him a story. And the rest of question you have to do yourself in your notebook. I hope you all understand this chapter so well. Thank you.